Hi there! Okay, today we are going to be going over elements of drama. Yesterday we reviewed a couple of different parts of a drama, and today we're going to be going over something a little bit new. Alright, so let's go to what are the parts of a drama? We have a drama, characters, narrator, setting/scenery, dialogue, director, and script. Yesterday we covered drama, characters, and setting and scenery. And I very briefly said, okay, we're going to go over narrator tomorrow. And so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be going over a narrator. I'm also going to go over the slide drama with you. Okay? So, drama. Go ahead and give yourself a moment and think back to what is a drama? All right, if you don't remember, let's go over it. Drama, also known as a play, good job. Drama, stories that can be acted out in front of people or an audience, okay? So, yesterday we went over the story, The Hare and the Tortoise. That was our play that we read yesterday. Okay, so I was reading the play to you, and I was acting like all the characters. I was all the characters, right? And you, who are you? You are the audience, right? So here was the play, and you were the audience listening to me act out the different characters, right? All right. So now let's go into narrator. All right. What is a narrator? I know I kind of went over a little bit last week, but does anyone remember what a narrator is? All right, a narrator gives the audience, that's you or me if I'm also watching a play, gives us, the audience, information about what is happening in the play. So are they a character in the play? No, they're not a character. They're telling us, the audience, what is happening. They're giving us an overview, right? They're telling us little things that won't be said by the characters or won't be, we're supposed to have this additional information, okay? So that's what a narrator is. So, now that we know a narrator is not a character in the story, let's go over the different narrators we've come across so far. So yesterday, we read The Hare and the Tortoise, and our narrator, we had a narrator in that story, right? And I'm just going to read you a little something from yesterday. It's the first thing the narrator told us. Once upon a time, some animals lived near a big meadow. Every day they would meet together, and Hare would come jumping along to join them. Hare would dance and prance through the long grass, telling them all what a fine fellow he was. So the narrator isn't acting this out. The narrator is telling us, the audience, what is happening, kind of giving us a little backstory, okay? So throughout plays, the narrator will come up onto the stage or come out wherever the play is being given, and tell us, the audience, different things that we should know about the characters or about the setting, okay? So that's just a little something about narrator. The plays I'll be reading and acting out this week will all have a narrator. Okay, hope you enjoyed today's little lesson over narrator and our little review over what a drama is. Drama is also known as a play. Very good.